Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to my first video for 2021. It has been a while since I have filmed a video, but I am super excited to be back. I'm a little bit embarrassed about how I've just made that bed, but I hope you guys have all been well. I have had a bit of a break from YouTube and Instagram for the past few months. If you followed me on Instagram, I did keep you all updated over there. Sadly, we lost our nephew, and it's been a very sad and hard time for our family. And my children have also been on their summer school holidays. They're back at school now, and I just really wanted to spend some quality time with them. But I am super excited to be back and sharing lots of cleaning content with you guys. I have a lot of organization videos coming up. We have a lot of our renos that I discussed with you last year that have been put on hold, and I cannot wait to get back into filming those for you and sharing lots of fun and exciting content. So if this is your first time here on my channel, hi, my name is Michelle. I'm a mum to 3 gorgeous children. They are 16, 14 and 12. I'm married to my husband Chris, and we live in sunny Queensland, Australia. And here on my channel I do lots of cleaning motivation, one to motivate myself, and on this particular day I wasn't really feeling like cleaning, but I really wanted to get back and film a video for you guys. So I just tackled my bedroom and a little bit in my ensuite and then some folding. So it's not a big cleaning video, but hopefully it gives you that motivation that you need today. So I'm going to stop chatting for a bit and I'm going to play some music, and I will pop in shortly.
Everything's so much better, riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights, you and me. Everything's so much better, riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. There's no going back, no going back, there's no going back to your old life, not living in the past. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So today in my cleaning caddy, I just packed a e-cloth dusting cloth, and I'll just dust everything down, and then I'll just use a microfiber cloth with the Method Wood for Good cleaner. I love the smell of the Method Wood for Good cleaner. I think it smells like marzipan that you pop on your Christmas cake, so I really love that. And I will also be using the Koala Eco glass cleaner. I love that, with a Clo glass cleaning cloth. I do end up accidentally spraying one of the mirrors with the wood cleaner, so I got wood cleaner on the cloth, so I ended up using paper towel because I had some of that in my caddy instead of going and racing and finding another glass cleaning cloth.
Once again your phone says that you're busy, and all my texts are falling to the ground. Once again you tell the same old story. Yeah. It's all on me, sure to stop with all the doubts, but I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. And I have no illusion you're going to lose me. Finally I'm taking enough, 'cause you're all delusion, plain confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, your karma. You're gonna learn just how to lose.
So these bedside tables and the tall boy in my bedroom were actually my parents' bedroom suite, and I decided to paint them with Rust-Oleum chalk paint. This one has kind of worn down. I actually spray painted them a few years ago in silver, and that's coming through. So I do need to give these bedside tables a good paint again, or I have been thinking of getting new ones. There's a lot of things in my bedroom at the moment. There's a desk that we had from when we did homeschooling last year that my mum lent me that I've still been meaning to give back to her. And there's a couple of big IKEA bags full of our blankets for our caravan that I forgot to pop back in there. So they need to go back down. So my room, I would love to give it a little makeover. We were going to do that last year. Just want to give it a nice refresh, a nice new rug. I love the mirrors beside the bed. This oval mirror here though is a terrible mirror. It's a great shape. I like the shape, but it's one of those mirrors that actually make you look bigger than what you are. So I got it from Kmart. I do like it though to make the room feel bigger, but it's not the best mirror to stand in and get dressed. And so here's a lot of stuff here on this desk that's for Chris's work as well. So I don't like this desk being in here. Hopefully I'll be moving it out soon so it's not as cluttered.
Time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, you gotta learn just how to lose. Your karma. What goes comes around, round, round. What goes comes around, round, round. What goes comes around, round, round. What goes comes around.
Do you lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender? You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts.
I am super embarrassed by how messy my bathroom vanity is, and inside my cabinets they are shocking at the moment. They are a big mess, and I think that I am going to do a video of that because it really needs a good sort out. I've got things in there that I'm no longer using, and the other night Chris shaved his beard, and I do have one of those beard capes that he puts around his neck and then has the suction cap to the mirrors. He didn't use it, so there's little bits of hair still on the bench even though he cleaned up, and it drives me crazy. I don't know if you can see it there. So I'm just giving everything a good wipe over because the counter is marble with the granite cleaner from Method. It's got like an apple smell. It smells amazing. And then I will just give the toothbrushes a wipe over with a antibacterial wipe from Coles, and then I'll just wipe out the sink with that, and then I'll come back in with the Method bacterial spray from Method. So giving that a good clean as well. And can you see the hair in the sink and the toothpaste on the spout there? I don't know how it gets there. This is not the bathroom for the kids, so I can't even blame them for that, but it's gross.
Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here. Anywhere but here. I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout on my own, all alone. bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me. So I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement, and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no. I'm about to explode.
If you are an OG subscriber, then you are aware that we have 2 ragdoll cats, and this is the worst I've ever left it. And this is where Duke sits, and then he sometimes sits in that little grey one, and I forgot to vacuum that. But the next spot I vacuum after here is a ottoman that was from Kmart that the cats molded and made it their bed, and it's torn, it looks ugly, but they love it, and I do not have the heart to get rid of it. But it was covered in hair. I have neglected it for probably 2 weeks or so that is the joy of having ragdoll cats. And then the other spot that I'm vacuuming is a box underneath the desk where I have a mat that I want to use at the front door when I do my little mini makeover out there, and Lola has been sitting on that. So that is the joys of ragdoll cats, but they certainly are worth every little bit of hairball that I have to vacuum up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope this video gives you the motivation that you needed today. And if you have not already clicked the subscribe button, I would love for you to do so before you leave today. I would love you to join my YouTube family. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I have lots of exciting content coming your way this year, and I would not like you to miss out. So if you are subscribed, definitely make sure you have clicked that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. But again, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no. I'm about to explode.